Today, I'm going to teach you how to tag blog posts on Wix. This is a really useful feature for organizing your content and helping readers find related posts more easily. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Blog and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Tags. This takes you to the central hub where all your blog tags are managed and organized. Now you'll be presented with all the blog tags you currently have in your Wix account. If you're starting fresh, this area might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to create your first tag. To create a new tag, locate the Create Tag button, which you'll find on the top right part of your screen, and click on it. Depending on your Wix account settings, you might see a language selection option pop up. If this appears, simply select the language you wish to use with this tag and click Continue. This ensures your tag will display correctly for your target audience. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the tag you wish to use for your blog. Type in your chosen tag name, something relevant to the content you'll be categorizing, and then click Save. Your new tag is now created and ready to be used across your blog posts. Now that we've created a tag, let's apply it to a blog post. To do this, click on Posts, which is located on the left navigation menu. This will display all your existing blog posts. Locate the relevant blog post that you'll be using this tag on. Hover your cursor over it and click on Edit. This opens up the blog editor where you can modify your post content and settings. Once you're on the blog editor page, locate the Settings button on the left side menu and click on it. This opens up a panel with various post configuration options. Under the Post Settings section, click on the Tags tab. You'll see a Tags field where you can add multiple tags to categorize this post. Under the Tags field, enter the tag we've created earlier. You can type it directly, or if Wix offers suggestions, simply select it from the list. This connects your post to that tag, making it part of that content category. And that's it. You've successfully tagged your blog post on Wix, making it easier for readers to discover related content and navigate your blog more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.